Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you the best templates and components available for Tailwind CSS for your next React project. Let's jump right into it. So the website is called tailwindspark.co and there are lots of components available and most of them are free. So you can just directly go to this website and create a beautiful stunning website in minutes. So what you can do is you can just directly go to components. You can choose whatever you like. You can filter by categories. Like if I want a navbar, I can just directly come here and say if it's free and I can just directly use it. So you can directly come here and copy whatever you like and directly use this into your project. The portfolio section. There are lots of templates available here. So you can filter them by category and use it. I will just show you some demos. You can directly come here, click on copy Tailwind, click on copy React.js. Now just replace this. And that's how you create a about section in minutes. And there are lots of sections available here. You can go and explore this. There's cookie consent available here as well, so you can just directly copy this Tailwind. Go to your project, replace, save, and there you have it. This is so easy, guys. There are lots of options available here. They even have filters. So just copy this and you can directly use them. This is so easy. Let's see. See, this is so easy to use. They even have form sections. They even have hero sections, right? They have modal, navbar. They even have newsletters. Oh, they have pricing sections as well. You can just directly come here, copy it again. So easy to use. They even have sign-in templates. So this is so easy. Just copy, replace or create a new file. Just paste it and there you have it, a beautiful sign-in page. You can customize this. They have team section, they have tables as well. Do not forget to check out this website. This is really cool to use website and this will make your life way easier. They even have a custom error page. You can just directly come here, again copy it. This is so easy to use. Just replace everything. And you have a custom error page, right? The website is called Tailwind Spark. Just come here and use it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.